The vision for the South Kansas Coalition Initiative is to empower equitable adoption of productivity-enhancing emerging technologies for sustainable precision manufacturing competitiveness and profitability. Wichita State University, the most diverse university in the state, will lead the coalition team with industry experts to develop a complete solution that enables small and mid-sized businesses to successfully implement smart manufacturing technologies into the supply chain, including multiple additive technologies, high-velocity machining, smart factory management, and associated workforce programming. Driving adoption, invest extensively in technology, data, and human capabilities, thereby creating public sector assets that will equitably boost private production velocity, competitiveness, and profitability.